Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss some Excel formulas. Here we go. So the first formula which we are going to use is if formula. We have the name of the person and their marks. So we can apply if formula like this. We have the condition here. If marks are more than 40, then the result should be pass. So equals to if. What is the logical test? Here we will apply the logical test. If B2 is more than 40 as written here as well, then the result should be pass. If this does not fulfill, then we want result as fail. This should be in double quotes, otherwise we will not get the result. We will get an error. We can drag this formula and see we got the result. Suppose we have more than two conditions. So we need to apply this if two or more than two times, which we have this here. So if the value, we can assume if we have value more than 85, we want distinction, or less than like more than 40, we want pass or else fail. So we will apply the formula here. If this value is more than 85, then it should be distinction. Now, if the value is false, so we want to add more conditions here. We will again apply if function. So if this value is more than 40, it should be pass. Now, if this does not fulfill, then we want fail. See, it is working. Let's discuss another formula which we have here. So we have the values here. If you want to separate them, like Anurag Kumar, we want Anurag here and Kumar here. So we will use text to column. Now first select these names, go to data and select text to columns. Delimited, next. The separator is, the delimiter is, which we have here is space. We have the space between these two. Santosh space KR, Anshu space Abhishek. So we will select this. Next, where we want this value, the destination should be B2, not A2. So it will give us the value at B2 and C2. Finish. See, we got the result. So text to column is used to separate them, and we have a formula concatenate, which is used to combine them. How to use this formula? Equals to concatenate. B2, comma, C2, bracket close, and then enter. But we couldn't find any space here. If we want space, then just need to apply double quotes, this. This is it. Now you will get the space. Sometimes we get this type of data in our daily, like when we work on Excel. So how to remove these extra space? So for this, we have a function called trim. Equals to trim A2, enter. It removed the extra space which we had. See. Now we are going to discuss sum formulas. We have different types of sum formulas. Here we have the value. Here we have sum if, sum ifs, sum product, min, max, large, and average. I am going to remove these values and again applying the formulas. So if you want the total sales, what you can do is equals to sum, select the data, and press enter. You will get total sales. Sum if, the condition here we have is sum only Jan month's sales. So if we have one condition, then we will apply sum if formula. Range and criteria. The range is this. The criteria is January. Sum range, from where you want to sum the values. From this column, price? No, we want the sum from total sales. So it will not sum all the values. It will only sum only January month's data. All right. So press enter. This is the sum of January month's total. See, you can see it here. 5,105. Sum ifs. Sum only February month's sales. Reason should be South. Sales represent should be B. And product category should be condiments. So we will apply sum ifs because there are more than one condition. Sum range should be this. Here we need to select sum range at first. So after selecting sum range, we need to select months. We wanted sum for February month. Reason should be South. So again, we need to select the range. Criteria number 2. So this is the range and the criteria is South. Now criteria range 3, sales representative. We want B and product category. We want condiments. Press enter. We got the value. February, reason is South. Sales representative is B. Product category is condiments. You can also filter this value like this. February, South, B. So the total is 11,049. 5. We got this here. Sum product, what this formula will do, it will get the product of the total of the product. So we will apply like this. Array 1, this one. Array 2, this one. What is the total of this? It is the total of total sales. It is multiplying these two and it is getting the total of this. If we don't have this column, we can also get the total sales using this formula. Okay, now we want the minimum value. We can apply the formula like this. So in this range, what is the minimum value? Here we have is 12. What is the maximum value? These are the basic formulas. Maximum. What is the large? So in large, we can apply first largest value, second largest value like this. In this array, what is the k number? So we want second largest value, not the first one. Not is the maximum value. See, If we apply 1 here, then we will get the maximum value, which is same. If we want second largest value, we need to apply 2 here. Thank you.